something. So this is the original color of the wallpaper. Super dirty. We are at our local hardware slash DIY store. We're gonna try to find some paint thinner or whatever you call that thing to remove the paint and to clean the walls. Okay, we found what we're looking for. This verniciatore, the wall paint stripper. That's it. Okay, so we definitely need some gloves as well, something that is impenetrable, because we'll be dealing with paints and toxic substances, so we need this. I finally got the wallpaper that I ordered last week. It's a brand from Germany called Wallpaper from the 70s, and we'll see if it's any good. So I think I ordered 4 or 5 samples, so we'll see if they're cute, and we're gonna try and put them side by side on the wall. It's so hard to just do it with one hand. Ta-da! It's for our bedroom. This is called Saranda. I love it. Loads of books. Here are the old school stuff. Radio. What's that? Oh my goodness. We used to have this when I was a kid. Oh my gosh. VHS tape. VHS, I mean, just VHS. Okay. Be right there. One man's garbage is definitely another man's treasure. That's for sure. We'll go upstairs. Oh, these are just chairs.
Yeah, Mom would like one like this. She loves the stuff with the arm. She give it so up.
It's crocheted. Okay, so we're getting this table with 4 seats. It's real wood. Noche. Noche is walnut. So walnut wood for 180 euros. That's not bad. Swiss landscape. That looks familiar. So 90s. So here are the wallpapers that I bought. This is the one that I really like. kind of gold. Of course, the lighting doesn't do any justice, but it's very nice. It looks very pretty on a white wall. We suddenly looked a little bit tight here, but this closet, this armadillo, is temporary. It's not gonna be here permanently. And this here, we're gonna sand it, we're gonna repaint it, we're gonna stain it. Nice details. Babe, I just love those flowers growing out of nowhere. There's more here. I don't know the name of those flowers, but they look very pretty.